Now, did you already know the different parts of the digestive system? Good. Okay, if you already know, then I will describe some of the different parts of the digestive system and you identify what is it. Okay. It is the portion of the large intestine in some mammals and the gut in others. Yes, it is the rectum. Okay? Where the food is first enters. Yes, in the mouth. Okay, now that you already know, get one fourth and we will have a short quiz. Okay, number 1. It is the enzyme that is present in our saliva. Number 2. It produces the bile. Number 3. It stores the bile. Number 4. It is the remains of digestion after absorption of water. It is the absorption of water takes place. Okay? Finish? Okay, pass your papers in front, class. Okay? Before we end up our class, get your assignment notebook and write your assignment. Okay, your assignment is make a research about the different disorders of the digestive system. Okay, did you get this, class? Okay, good. Okay, goodbye and thank you to each and everyone and have a pleasant and good day ahead.